Tenemos otra atleta de España en este hit. Ella está muy fuerte. Mireia sonriendo todo el tiempo. Vamos a ver lo que puede show us. All right, that's a bad mix. She's going for the loop there, unfortunately flushing. Come on, Mireia. Vamos, 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 vamos. She's gonna be back in that feature in just a few seconds. She wants to get those points. We have seen her throw massive McNasties and Phoenixes in training. So she wants to show us during the competition as well. This is her second ride. She's setting up for the McNasty, not quite getting that edge around. Paddling back up, you can see how determined she is, but unfortunately that's time. She's trying to squeeze in a cartwheel there. I think it's kind of difficult for the athletes to know when their time is up because the timer is on the left side of the river. She's trying to show us she can do more, but for right now,